Good morning, friends. It is the day after Thanksgiving. I gave myself a deadline to be mostly unpacked and set up by December 1st. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. However, I don't know that that goal is going to be exactly precise, but I do think that I'll be able to start decorating December 1st, which I think was my main goal, was to be able to fit a Christmas tree, which we still have to go shopping for. And I've got my couch, that happened way quicker than I expected. And I can see where Christmas decorations can go. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's really not that much different. So that's clean laundry that Kylo made a bed in, so I have to refold it. But that I'm getting out today because I cleaned out the back of my car so I can fit that in there. And really the rest of it basically looks the same. This is donate, and that needs to go to my mom's storage, as well as the drum set. So those three things I'm just writing off of my brain. The plan is the couch is going to go along that wall right there so that the Chaise will be right there, okay? The desk is going to go under the window right there where that is. That is going to go in that little space right there. Hopefully, we'll see. And then the table is just going to get moved over to accommodate for the space of the desk. This stand is not the stand that is going to be here. I have a little stand that I bought, and then one of my family friends gave me a smart TV, so I need to get that smart TV as well, but it's too big for this little stand. So until I get my bigger stand, which that stand has all the storage that I need for all of that stuff right there, which is why that is staying there, because once I get the new stand, it can all just go in there nice and snug as a bug in a rug. Okay. Now over here, so this whole wall really, probably from here over, will be blank. So my plan is to get a super skinny pencil Christmas tree and put the pencil Christmas tree right there. Okay, the other idea that I really thought about playing with, that one of you guys sent me in a drawing, which is amazing, thank you so much. I don't know that I actually ever responded to you. I'm very sorry, but I loved it. So the couch would be right here. Okay, and then the Chaise would be right there, basically. And then the TV would be along this wall. So it separated the room, and then the Christmas tree would go right here. I really enjoyed that idea. I was just more concerned about walking space, because I hate how I walk in right now. I mean, this isn't usually here, but you know what I mean. I literally walk in and I hit this and I hit that. I hate it. So I'd like to walk into something more open, and I think that's gonna be the vibe. So do I think today I'm going to get all of this rearranged and moved? No. Oh, come back down here. No, I don't think so. But later on, my ex is dropping Kelly off, and he's going to help me move the couch. So that is why I am getting stuff moved over. And then this giant green tote has all of my winter clothes in it. I just ordered off of Amazon vacuum seal bags, so that will get taken care of. And that tote, I'll probably either put stuff in it, take to my mom's storage, or what. But that tote will be gone because that's a massive tote that can't fit anywhere in here. ADHD moment here. I dried oranges yesterday. These are the ones that didn't quite dry in time to go to my sister's house. But look at how pretty these are. You see how gorgeous? New oranges. Yes. So these are raspberry. Aren't they beautiful? I left my garland that I made at my sister's house because I'm dog sitting, and I just came straight from my dog sitting house here this morning. But I want to do something else with these ones. I made a garland yesterday, and then with the little random ones that were kind of broken, I made little baby ornaments. So I honestly really wanted to go live when I was doing that, but we've been having issues with neighbors and stuff, so I kind of couldn't. But hopefully I can do a video or incorporate it somehow into the holiday season, because I actually really had a fun time making these and making the garland, and I strung cranberries. They were out of cinnamon sticks. I wanted to do cinnamon sticks, so we're gonna I'll do this one with you guys, because I think that'll be so much fun. And look at how beautiful, it just looks like stained glass. Oh my gosh. gorgeous. Not that anybody asked, but while I'm deciding on what I want to do, this year I am taking a very different approach to the holidays. So I've been open with you guys about like how I don't like the holidays very much since like the core people in my family have passed, and it's really hard for me to cope with it. Sometimes I just cope by not getting festive. I don't know. I try for Kelly, and I feel like I do a good job of trying for Kelly and like making it seem like I care, but I don't know, it's just really difficult. So this year I told myself, okay, instead of trying to like instead of trying to redo old traditions or like remake Christmas from my childhood, like I need to make stuff that's different. I need to do things that are like going to fill my cup and make me happy. So I've decided to get more into like I guess if you look up on TikTok or even Pinterest or something, like Yule decorations for Christmas, or more of like kind of like the pagan Christmas vibes. I'm really into that this year. And like my Christmas tree last year, the decorations are basically like this. So it's kind of like, these are new ones, obviously, but like this is kind of the vibe. I got these at the thrift store for 99 cents. How cute. But like these are the vibes that I go for. So I'm like, it's kind of already all natural. Like I can not spend money on buying new decorations. Like I can make the garland, I can, you know, try to just add more intention and traditions of my own into my holidays, and I think that's going to help me overcome some of the holiday seasonal stuff. And I have to tell you, yesterday when I was making that garland, my nervous system has never been more calm making something. It was pretty cool, honestly. So I think that's the route I'm gonna stick with this year. And now I'm overwhelmed again. I'm supposed to have a full bladder for my appointment. I've got a ultrasound. Because like 4 months ago when I went to the doctor, because I was having really bad abdominal pain, they did a CT scan and they found like a cyst. And it was pretty sizable, but they told me not to worry about it. But me and my health anxiety, I worried about it, and I got an appointment with a gynecologist, and she told me it's probably nothing. I said I'm still having the pain though. They chalked it up to diverticulitis. I don't necessarily think it's diverticulitis. It could be, I don't know. But it is very common, like when I'm ovulating, I get like a severe pain on my left side. So, all that to say, I'm getting an ultrasound today to see if the cyst is there or not, or grown, or whatever. So let's put all this stuff that needs to go in my car over there. Child's. I did not do a good job cleaning that out. Oops. Haha, the first thing's in there. Ta-da! Okay, I'll give him that stuff. I have to go through that still. I don't want to keep that container though. I'll probably give that to my mom. All right, let's go to my appointment. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, friends, I'm back from my appointment. It's actually a few hours after my appointment because Kelly is home now and my ex came to help me do all of the stuff here. So we got the couch moved. We got the Chaise hooked on. my ADHD took me on an adventure, so I cleaned the toilet. I have the donations in the car. I have the giant box in the car. So like, it's amazing what I can do when I like have somebody else coming to help me and like what motivates me. It's crazy, but I need your guys' opinions on things, but I think that it's going to work the way I wanted it to work. I'm so excited to show you. Are you ready? Look at it. Look at it. I love it so much more right here. It is so much better to, I don't know. I just really enjoy it. It's a lot more space when you walk in initially. Like that is a ton of walking space. I don't know how to do this carpet though, because the pull-out sleeper gets stuck on it and it won't pull out. So like I have it to where it won't get stuck on it, but I kind of hate it just like in the middle here. So we'll figure what to do with that. But like I can just sit right across from the TV. It's phenomenal. I just kind of moved everything over here. So we've got some boxes there. I got the recycle. That big box is gone. I got the donate box that was on top of here. This is a storage box. Okay, but let's come over here and talk about this real fast. So this tower stand, I'm going to put right here. All right, I think that's going to be a really good spot for it. It still leaves, you know, space in between here in case I want to put something right there to like have an end table or whatever. And the desk is going to go right here. And I think I measured it and the desk will jut out probably about right here. So there's still plenty of sitting space. Oh, and I moved the table over. I don't know if you guys can tell. It is coming together. It looks so good. The vision is coming alive. We still just have two problems. Okay. The tree is going to go like right where this light is once I buy a tree and find a tree that I like. That's not the problem. The problem is a kennel for Kylo. Here's the deal. I love the end table kennels. Do I have space for an end table kennel is the question. I don't know. I like that this kennel I'm able to put up and down quickly because honestly, I really only need the kennel on like weekends when I go grocery shopping, or like I just need it for like a couple of hours here and there because he goes to work with me every single day, or he goes to my sister's house with the other dogs every single day. So it's like, I'm not sure what to do about the kennel situation. I currently just have it folded up. I guess I could, in theory, there's nothing going on this wall. I guess I could have a little end table there, but like, would that impede the walking space too much? I mean, not necessarily, but I still have to like do the little side swoop out of the way. I am extremely, extremely happy. Like, I'll show you. Here is the view from the couch. Like, so much better, right? So much better. I love having this wall space right here. It's so nice. And then when that moves over here, it'll go like right there. I'm so excited. It's so good. All right, friends. That is where I'm ending it today. I will see you guys back here tomorrow because we have to go back to my dog sitting house, and I plan on moving more stuff around tomorrow and like getting the desk set up so that I could actually like unpack things and get maybe more things unpacked tomorrow. But this is amazing. I love this. I'm so excited. I'm really happy. I'm like even more happy about this couch because it was really easy to move, and like we literally got the Chaise on in one foul swoop with 2 adults and Kelly helping as well. But I just really enjoy this couch for this space. I think it works so stinking well, and it fits really well now that I can see where things need to fit. There's plenty of room. There's plenty of room. This is not that small of a space. All right, friends, I will see you tomorrow.